Hey gang, it's HenDog007. A new awesome video. Hiring the club. And today is a Kingsleys food review. First we got the fried chicken. Oh crap, that's the one. That's another one. It has a bone. They say awesome chips, so yeah, those chips are pretty awesome. Next we got the chips with gravy. And here we yeah, good. Chips, yeah, pretty good. I give it 1 out of 10. Very good. Hey guys, thanks for watching the new HenDog007 video. I hope you enjoyed it. The Kingsleys was really good. It was a good experience.
Yeah, thanks for watching guys.